Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hey folks, Tony Policastro here from the Acoustic Letter. That's a dog who's shaking, and I knew that was going to happen. Hey there, Tony Policastro here from the Acoustic Letter. Today we're going to look at a custom 8-string baritone from Taylor. But before we do so, I just wanted to let you know there are tons of subscribers to the Acoustic Letter right now. Acoustic lovers just like you. Please click the link below and check out what our current subscribers have to say. If you like what they have to say, go ahead and sign up. You'll be very happy that you did so. This custom 8-string baritone from Taylor is quite a unique instrument. This is a result of one of Paul's trips out to Taylor. And what we have here is an 8-string baritone. Grand Symphony size, 16 size body, with a Sitka spruce top, ebony bridge pins, and a bone saddle, beautiful abalone rosette, rosewood binding, trimmed off with some white purfling, and on the back we have a gorgeous piece of flamed maple accented with a rosewood mini wedge to match the binding as well. It's quite a nice touch. We have a cutaway, stark black ebony fingerboard with star inlay, also bound in rosewood. We have a rosewood headplate cover inlaid with Taylor and a star. Gold Goto 510 tuners with black buttons on a beautiful satin finished maple neck. Very, very comfortable to play. And again, an 8-string baritone, which is a very unique sound. So let's give this 8-string custom Taylor a play. Interested in this guitar? Go to acousticletter.com now and email us with your questions. For more acoustic reviews and comparisons, click the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel.